Nice and lovely, guys. So back in the kitchen with another one with Chef Ricardo cooking show today. All right. Yes. I'm just gonna take the time out to say thank you so much for coming on the show this morning. Yeah. This is just like a quick video from Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean? And I wanna share something with the audience this morning. Anyway, so far we've gone 36.91 pence for donation to the cancer research. Cucumber juice just for lunch. Yes. All right. Listen now, guys. I know you guys are listening to me right now. I need to make 75 pounds to reach my goal, and at the moment I raise 36.9 cents for my cancer research fundraising. All right. It's only 75 pounds, guys. So I'm asking you, please, this morning, can you donate to cancer research? Because I know cancer research do a lot for a lot of people all over the world. All right. So if you are interested of donating to cancer research this morning with Chef Ricardo, I'm gonna be doing a quick like a juice, healthy juice for lunch. Yeah. So I want to take the time to say to you this morning, good morning. Thank you so much, guys, for coming on the show. Follow me on my YouTube channel. I keep telling you guys, I'm always on my YouTube channel. Like most of the time, my video is on my YouTube channel. All right. So this morning, as I say, I got £36.91, and I'm doing a raising for cancer research. You know what I mean? You may know someone affected by cancer, or you may know someone who, you know what I mean? So every penny count. It doesn't matter. Every single penny count. All right. So that's what I take the time out to you. Say if you could donate whatever you have. You know what I mean? I know it's only £75. I got 36 pence already and 36.9 cents. So yeah, if you could donate whatever you want to donate, that will be great this morning. All right. Thank you so much for coming on the show. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most beautiful recipe them in this whole entire world. I know one person can donate £75, you know what I mean? And I know that someone can do that. But sometimes it just take a little bit of time for us to just raise a little bit of money together. You know, it may seems a little bit, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, every penny counts when it hot up. All right. Shout out to everyone of you guys who are watching so far. I like to do weight loss recipe and detoxing recipe and all this kind of recipe. I like to do them. You know what I mean? Yeah, I like to do all these kind of healthy juice recipe, and that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm gonna be doing a simple weight loss or detoxing juice where you can make at home. All right, with some natural ingredients, guys. So what I'm gonna do is start off my show just now, and as I said, if you are listening to me on Instagram or on my YouTube channel, as I said, you can donate, you know what I mean, to that cancer research fundraising. All right. Now the thing is, I want to say to you, I'm always doing juice and all different kind of. I'm gonna be jump straight quick into it right now. I got my blender ready and everything ready. I have. This is what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna show you. You need a green apple, which is very easy to get. First of all, you don't make sure I'm just gonna cut over my other table because my other table is more easier for me to cut. All right. You need a medium-sized apple, and to be honest, guys, you do not need to go to Jamaica to get apple. All right. I heard people saying, "Oh, Chef Ricardo, I have to go to Jamaica to get apple." No. All right. So that's what you want to do. You don't need to go to Jamaica to get none of these ingredients. All right. You can get them right where you are. All right. So I'm using a medium-sized apple right here for the sweetness of this right here. All right, medium-sized apple, and you can do this at home, guys. 100%. We got 4 donations on the cancer research. Someone can donate to make 5 and support cancer research. Don't think, oh yes, they are billion a year and they're making money. You don't, you know what I mean? Just like when you're at your home and you have to pay bills, and at the end of the day you have to pay this, you have to pay that. It's the same thing. It's not different. You know what I mean? All right, now we're going to put some celery, and I'm going to be using a celery stick inside of it. just like this, all right? And I'm showing you exactly how to do this an amazing drink, all right? What we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of a water inside of the blender, not too much water, just a little bit. But I'm gonna show you first thing what you need to do is make sure you blend out this little portion first. So basically we got apple and celery and a little bit of water, all right? So we're gonna blend out this for a little bit. Lovely. All right. So once you blend this little portion right here, that's what you want to do. You want to make sure you blend this portion. And what you're going to do, get roughly about half of a cucumber like this right here. And then we're going to cut up the cucumber. We're going to put it straight inside of it. You can make this for lunch today if you're at home. If you're at home, you can make this for lunch. All right, guys? It's very easy to make. It's not complicated. And what we're going to do, we're going to get a lovely piece of a ginger. And I'm using some fresh ginger because the fresh ginger is just really nice to use in it, all right? And these are just like very healthy and delicious to drink for lunch when you're at home, all right? Because a lot of people like to drink natural stuff. So when you're at home, this come in really handy for you to make at home. All right, guys? Yeah, beautiful drink. I'm gonna put half of a lemon inside of it. All right, that is lovely. That is fantastic and amazing. Now, the thing is, as I said, what we're gonna do is put a little bit of fresh mint in it to bring in a lovely flavor. I know it's still spring, but the weather is changing a little bit. It's a little bit cold, but you know what I mean? It's coming up to summer and you want some ideas to make things at home in the summer. So this is where it comes in handy from Chef Ricardo, all right? So remember, this one is going to be just very easy and simple for you guys to make, all right? Not too complicated, to be honest. I'm just doing this one so easily that you can make this one at home, all right? Now, next, I want to simply say to you, with this drink, I'm going to give you a little bit of tweak on it and a little bit of, you know what I mean, a little bit of twist on it because it's a very nice drink. As I said, it's only celery, ginger, lemon, apple, and cucumber, but it is fantastic and an amazing drink, 100%. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a little bit of tweaking. That's so you guys can enjoy this one, all right? 100%, just a little bit of tweaking towards it. So what we're going to do is pop a little bit of honey in it like this, all right? Not too much honey because, you know, you don't want to, because the apple is sweet. And what next I'm going to do is I'm going to put some almond. This is some smoothie almond butter. I'm going to put a little bit of this inside of it to bring in some protein to you, all right? So roughly about a teaspoon you can put inside of it, all right? And this is very good for you. So this right here what I'm making is just like for lunch, all right, guys? Please, just for lunch, all right? And it's very good for also like a weight loss drink. If you're at home and you feel like something for weight loss, this come in really handy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this. Nice one. All right, let's see exactly how this look now. All right, okay, yeah, this is beautiful. I like Fantastic and amazing. So what you want to do, you want to drink something like this for lunch. All right. This is for lunch. All right. And this one is going to be part 1. All right. It's got the lovely, beautiful almond peanut smoothie almond butter in it. That's going to bring in a lovely flavor to it. All right, guys. So that's part 1 of that beautiful smoothie which I'm talking about. All right. And honestly, you definitely guys will enjoy this one. As I said, guys, please, if you are interested, you know what I mean, please shout out to every one of you guys who are watching. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook page, and my name is Chef Ricardo. On my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and that's where you can get all of my best top recipe them on my YouTube channel. All right. Now, so we just made that beautiful smoothie right there, and honestly, it is fantastic and amazing. All right. So what we want to do now is to show you exactly what you need to do. So it is for lunch. All right, and true, it is for lunch. What you want to do is put a little bit of tropical nuts on top of it like this. Got ripe banana and some bits and pieces. All right, inside of the tropical nuts. And then we got some mixed seeds, which you can also just simple pour on it. It's just for lunch, guys. You can do this for lunch. All right, pumpkin seeds and all different kind of seeds. Something healthy and also delicious. Now we got some chai seeds. A lot of ladies like to talk about, I want to lose weight. I'm getting ready for summer. This is good, very good for you. All right, if you are interested of weight loss. All right, you know, a lot of ladies, they love to say, oh, it is coming up to summer and I need to lose some weight. So this is what I have to do. I'm gonna follow Chef Ricardo recipe. Yes, very, very nice, lovely recipe for you to follow. We're gonna put a little on top of it. Just like that. All right, that is beautiful. Fantastic and amazing. All right, nice one. So that's part 1 of this and an amazing juice recipe from Chef Ricardo today. All right, I'm gonna be showing you the next part 2.